I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Calendar and confirming the calendar you'll change. You want to work on an account that's already synced. Once the app is open, tap the three-line menu at the top left to reveal all calendars. Make sure the calendar you intend to edit is checked so events are visible. This prevents changing a hidden calendar by mistake. If events don't appear, pull down to refresh to force sync so colors will apply correctly when you proceed to the next step. Next, locate the specific calendar in the side menu and either long press its name or tap the three-dot icon to open options. This reveals the color choices for that calendar. Choose one of the preset colors by tapping it, or if available, select a custom option to fine-tune with a picker. Changing the calendar color updates all its events for clear visual grouping. Make sure you select the calendar itself, not an individual event, because the calendar level color. Finally, tap outside the menu to close it. Google Calendar saves color changes automatically, then review the calendar view to confirm updates. If you don't see the new color, pull down to refresh or force close and reopen the app. Sometimes the UI needs a reload. If problems persist, ensure the account is synced, check that you edited the correct calendar, and update the app through the Play Store. If none of that works, clear the app cache as a last resort troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.